What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best mirror dash cams 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. The T2 camera by Autovox is an easy-to-use and simple-to-install rear-view mirror camera. It provides a 480p image of your surroundings with a viewing angle of 170 degrees. This camera is IP68 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet in the rain. It also features an excellent night vision feature and 6 LED lights to let you have a clear view when reversing your car in the dark. The Autovox T2 backup cam also automatically shows parking guidelines to help you park safely. A great feature of this backup cam is that it automatically adjusts the brightness to an appropriate level to provide an easy-to-see display. It can also be installed on most car models with ease because the installation is done using only one wire. Number 4. Roads are becoming more bustling. That's why you need a reading camera to guide your journey. Autovox V5 Pro is made from advanced technologies, allowing it to stand out among other products in the competition. Indeed, it will let you feel safe in a very easy way. Using V5 Pro's adjustable parking lines, driving will be easier. With this, you can estimate your distance and movement. And it can be done by just dragging the lines on the screen. For sure, it highly guarantees your safety. More amazingly, it comes with a GPS tracker, a rare and unique tool that is found in the Autovox V5 Pro. The videos taken by the camera coordinate with the GPS data to show you on the map how you are doing. You will also be delighted with the split-screen display. With just a glance on the screen, you can have a view of the back, front, and side of the car. Thus, it helps you monitor your driving and movement on the road. With its dual 1080p resolution, you are certain of excellent display of the sharpness of every important detail. So perceiving car plates and road signs will never be a problem. The front camera will provide you with a remarkable angle of 145 degrees, and you can expect wide coverage of 150 degrees from the back camera. It reduces your blind spots and increases your view without affecting and distorting the image. If the sun is too shiny, the lamination will allow you to take a look at the screen without being disturbed by the glares. In addition, it protects your screen from scratches and damage due to dust. At the time that your car is parked and the engine is turned off, the G sensor sources its power from the car fuse. With this, it can stay on to sense violent movements and causes the camera to function and initiate a 30-second video. This video will be saved to protect your personal interests. Number 3. This rear-view mirror camera by Primito provides a split-screen dual-cam display on a 12-inch mirror screen that you cannot help but love. It utilizes the WDR and Sony sensor technology to provide you with a crisp and sharp image. The back and front cameras have a resolution of 1080p with a viewing angle of 170 degrees front and 150 degrees back. The rear camera is pretty small, so it will not stand out and mar the look of your car. Another good thing is that this rear view mirror camera can support a memory card size of up to 128 GB. It also features GPS functions, G-sensor, guidelines for parking, parking monitoring, and loop recording alongside touchscreen controls. You also get a free 32 GB memory storage card and a warranty of 1 year with this backup cam. Number 2. Most people are solely focused on how good the rear cam is. Their main purpose for getting a rear-view mirror dash cam is that they want the rear dash cam to be great. Finding a good backup camera is not a piece of cake. Promo PR998S makes this process pretty easy. The 12 screen actually helps the driver to get a better view, and the Sony IMX355 sensor is just a cherry on top. The camera quality is really good. The screen has a long 1-meter extension cable for you to place the rear camera and mirror dash cam anywhere you want. You might wonder if the front camera will get blocked, but it won't. It's a perfect rear view mirror dash cam, having great accessibilities that will definitely give you a better driving experience. The dual dashcam mirror screen is capable of displaying FHD video quality despite the capture quality being 1296p. The total viewing angle of this dashcam is 320 degrees, where the front camera records 170 degrees and the rear camera records 150 degrees. Most rear-view mirror dashcams have LCD displays. LCS displays are subjected to glare, which can do no good if you can't see the screen from every angle. That's why Primito PR998S comes with anti-glare lamination. Automatic collision calibration is an added extra measure to this rear-view mirror dashcam. If any collision happens, the rear camera and the rear-view mirror camera turn on and capture a 30-second video and shuts down automatically. You can turn on the split screen feature that turns on both rear-view mirror cameras, and you can see the total view on one screen. Number 1. This dashcam by WATBOX just trips with style thanks to its curved 12 inches smart screen and slick design. Both cameras at the front and back of the car can record at a resolution of 1080p. But this resolution can go up to 1296p when only the front camera is recording. It also features a 140 degrees back viewing angle and a 170 degrees front viewing angle to ensure that you get a good view of your surroundings. You also get additional features with this rear-view mirror camera, such as parking monitoring, GPS functions, time-lapse mode, loop recording, and G-sensor. It is also very easy to adjust the view angle of the display for maximum ease. The free 32GB card included in the package is like a cherry on top. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.